If you want a thicker, stronger, more powerful lower body and core, this is the routine you should do every single day. These exercises focus on your deep core, inner thighs, hips, and pelvic support muscles, the foundation of strength, balance, and control. When these muscles are strong and flexible, your posture improves, your movements feel smoother, and your physical confidence and performance increase in everyday life. This is not about showing off. This is about control, endurance, and connection with your body. When your inner muscles work together, you feel more stable, more energized, and more confident, from workouts to daily activities and even intimate moments. Before we start, pause for 1 second. Tell me your name in the comments so I can welcome you personally. And if you're serious about building daily strength, write "I'm committed." Now let's begin. 1. Ape transverse. Activation. This exercise wakes up your deep transverse core muscles, the ones that wrap around your waist like a natural belt. Get into position and breathe slowly. As you exhale, gently draw your lower abdomen inward, as if you're lifting energy upward from the base of your body. This controlled engagement builds internal pressure, stability, and control. Think of this as learning how to hold strength without tension. This muscle awareness helps with posture, balance, and long-lasting endurance. Do not rush. Slow, intentional movement creates deeper results. 2. Rocking frog. Stretch. Now move into the rocking frog stretch. This targets your inner thighs, hips, and pelvic flexibility. As you rock gently back and forth, allow the muscles to open and release. This stretch improves circulation and creates a relaxed but powerful feeling in the lower body. This movement is important because flexibility allows strength to work better. A relaxed muscle can contract more effectively, giving you better control and smoother movement. Breathe deeply and let go of stiffness. 3. Frog. Position. Hold. Stay in the frog position and hold. This static hold builds endurance in your inner thighs and pelvic support muscles. You may feel warmth, pressure, and activation. This is normal. This sensation means your muscles are learning to support you for longer periods. This exercise helps develop staying power, stability, and internal strength that carries over into sports, posture, and intimate confidence. 4. Bigger strength. Stretch. This stretch focuses on opening the hips while maintaining control. As you stretch, imagine creating space inside your body while keeping your core gently active. This balance between openness and control is essential for strong, responsive movement. This exercise improves range of motion and prepares your body for deeper engagement in later movements. Never force the stretch. Let your body invite the movement. 5. Lower strength. Stretch. Now we shift attention lower, toward the base muscles that support your hips and core. This stretch releases tightness and helps reconnect your mind with subtle muscle control. Relaxed lower muscles allow stronger contractions later, which leads to better muscle coordination and endurance. Focus on calm breathing and slow release. 6. Sitting windshield movement. Sit tall and perform the windshield movement with control. This improves hip rotation, coordination, and joint health. It also trains your body to move smoothly from side to side, improving balance and fluid motion. This movement enhances grace, control, and body awareness, which is essential for both athletic and intimate performance. 7. Heel bridge. Lie back and bring your heels close to your body. Lift into a heel bridge. This is a powerful exercise for the glutes, lower core, and pelvic support muscles. As you lift, squeeze gently and hold with control, not force. This movement builds drive, strength, and firmness in the muscles that support your spine and hips. It also improves stamina and body control. Lower slowly and repeat with intention. 8. Bridge. Walk from the bridge position. Begin walking your feet slowly forward and backward. This adds a dynamic challenge that improves coordination, control, and endurance. Your body learns to stay stable while moving, which is a key factor in real-life strength. This exercise creates a deep internal burn that signals muscle growth and strength development. 9. Inner thigh pulse. Now bring focus to the inner thighs. Pulse slowly and with control. Small movements create deep engagement. These muscles play a major role in balance, stability, and controlled power. Strong inner thighs support better posture and smoother lower body movement. They also help create a feeling of firmness and confidence from the inside out. 10. Tabletop bridge. Move into a tabletop bridge position. This exercise challenges your entire posterior chain, shoulders, core, hips, and thighs, while demanding control and coordination. Hold the position and breathe. Feel your body working together as one connected unit. This exercise builds functional strength, helping you feel grounded, steady, and powerful. 11. Alternative wide side adduction. Finish with wide side adduction. Step wide and shift slowly from side to side, keeping control through the inner thighs and hips. This exercise improves lateral strength, flexibility, and muscle balance. It also reduces injury risk and improves overall lower body symmetry. Slow movements here lead to better muscle awareness and control. Daily practice and benefits. Doing this routine daily will help you build stronger inner core muscles, better hip and pelvic stability, improved flexibility and mobility, increased stamina and endurance, greater confidence in movement and performance. This is not about rushing results. It's about consistent practice, controlled strength, and connection with your body. If you completed this workout, comment "done" below. If you felt the activation deep inside, comment "I felt it." Remember, real strength starts from within. Train daily, move with intention, and stay connected to your body. See you in the next session.